What's going on, everybody? I am back. This is another day that I'm attempting this whole vlog thing, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. So today, again, same old thing, doing some packing of some orders, just talking about some business stuff, going over some product stuff, and I'm ready to go. So. All right, everyone, so in case you don't know who this is Carly. And Carly is part of my team, and she's been really, really awesome, and she basically is like, she controls me. Rachel runs me, she controls me, all right? And you're just asking me, what the hell is this whole vlogging thing going on? Because I've never done this. This is new. I mean, I've tried experimenting in the past with my own stuff, but never involving the team as much. So Julia, this is all Julia's fault. Yesterday, we were going over some stuff, and Julia was like, you should, like, viewers want to engage with the person and want to know more about the creator, and look at all these famous makeup artists, like they post more about like their life and their this and their business on top of the tutorials they do. I'm like, yeah, you know what? I kind of do watch that sometimes. I'm also more interested in that stuff than like the makeup stuff and the hairstyle, whatever. Yeah. And she goes, let's try it. And I said, wait, you know what? Like, I posted a vlog once, like it was titled like my first vlog, and it was like, I don't even know, like 8-9 months ago, maybe more than that. And
that was your only vlog?
Yeah, but literally, it was like, people were like, do more. We love this. Do more. More. I love it. Right? She was reading the comments. She was like, dude, everybody's literally telling you in this. I must have missed like 50 something comments. I didn't even respond. All of them were like, we want to see more. Vlog more. Yes. I was like, that's what this became. This became. This is. We're trying again now. Remember that new clay I've been working on?
Yes.
The fragrances are in to test. Ooh. I have my. It's a really tough one. It's a really, really tough one. So there are 3 different ones. Now let me explain to you the concept of what I was looking for. Something very masculine, Tom Ford, like sultry, just, man, like power.
You already have your favorite?
Kind of.
Rachel already has her favorite? Everybody already got their favorite?
Kind of.
All right.
But, and it's this whole product is inspired by entrepreneurship. So like, I didn't tell them what I'm naming the product, but you know what I'm naming the product. So it's all about entrepreneurship. It's about all that like hard work goes into it. So I want something like powerful, like the CEO type product. So take a whiff of each one.
Okay, well, sandalwood is normally like my favorite scent.
Okay.
So I'm gonna say that one for last.
Okay, this is what it's very, very important, and I've been noticing, women have their own perspective and men have their own perspective too, which has been fun. I know they all smell good. It's very tough. Yes.
My favorite is this one.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Every girl likes this one. Okay,
I think it smells really good. It feels strong. It's not overpowering. This one, the after scent is a little funny. The tobacco is just not my personal preference, and I feel like it's not a universal scent. I feel like some people will like it,
love it or hate it.
Yeah, or not like it. I feel like this one is the most universal. It'll go well with people. Like, I feel like if you're wearing this, get the girls.
Every girl is saying that.
Yeah, because
guys, do you want something that a chick digs, or do you want like?
Unless it's not the way you bat. But
yeah, exactly.
It just smells so good, Steven. I think that every guy should wear this.
Okay, so, you heard it from all the girls so far. All the hot babes seem to like this.
Get your boyfriends this new product. We will stick to this scent. Just kidding.
Yeah, I guess.
So is this Steven at the end of the day.
So I'm now officially a vlogger. I'm just kidding. This is my new camera, my new vlogging camera, the G7X Mark 13. It's not even out yet. It's coming out in 2029. I got my hands on one. Not sponsored by this company. I'm not going to say. Anyway, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I did get a new vlogging camera. I'm caving. not really a vlogger, to be honest with you, but I'm figuring out that you guys want to see more of this kind of stuff too. So let's see how good this I'm a techie. I'm a pretty hardcore techie, especially when it comes to cameras and stuff like that. So I'm really curious to see how good this this camera works. Little fun fact about me. Check me out on Xbox. I am the Salon Guy. I'm a hardcore old school gamer. Like when I say old school, I mean like PC, World of Warcraft, like insane. I've been gaming since I was probably in like 8th grade, back in like 1987 or so. But yeah, let's see who actually watches this. If I get some requests from people on Xbox Live, no guarantees, because I do get a lot of people actually that want to join up with me here and DM me every 5 minutes. But yeah, I'm curious to know if you guys are gamers, man. That'll be awesome. But this is what I'm playing right now currently, the Division 2. I don't know if you guys are big into that, but I'm a big into like shooters and like COD and stuff like that. But Division 2, man, I love games like this. Ghost Recon, all that kind of stuff, man. Typically I wake up at like anywhere between 5 to 6 a.m. on a pretty regular basis, and I'm trying to land more of a morning routine, whether it's stretching and going to the gym or going to the chiropractor for my back and all sorts of stuff. But you know, I think a morning routine is definitely something that you need to incorporate when it comes to being successful. Welcome to my apartment development elevator. It's actually kind of a cool elevator, to be honest with you. Pretty nicely designed. I have my frustrations with my apartment development, however. They say it's luxury, but yeah, what to who? The one good thing about my apartment, however, is literally, it's like so, I mean, it's like, look at this. It's empty. That's the cool thing about it. It's like, it's literally empty as far as noise and, you know, a lot of commotion and stuff like that. It's pretty good on that end. Another great thing is that I have my own private garage, which is super cool and super convenient. So I basically live on an old castle estate, and it's pretty cool, to be honest with you. It's an old castle estate. It's set back from the rest of society. And it's actually a pretty tranquil place. Very, very quiet, and not a lot going on. Alright guys, so check this out. This is Kevin's new baby right here. Kevin, dude, what's up, man? Say hi to everybody.
What's going on, everybody?
He's been in one of my videos before as a hair model. Clearly
using the product, loving the product.
That's awesome.
Pre-game. Pre-game's the move.
Pre-game is sick.
Yeah, this is my new baby. This is Tezzy the Tesla, or you can just call it the spaceship. We just got it very recently.
Dude, yeah. So you took me for a spin in this thing. I mean, this thing picks up like you would not believe. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous vehicle. And, man, this is literally like a, what's this called? The Tesla chick magnet? What's that? I mean, this thing is out of control, dude.
Magnet P100D. But, yeah, we took it for a spin. Steve saw the car and he was like, yo, is that the Tesla? I was like, yeah, like, let's take it for the spin because it's early, no one's here. So we took it into like a vacant area in the parking lot, just took it like 0 to 30. It goes 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. So made sure to give him a ride. And then we did the auto park too. Parked itself.
Yeah, so, all right, let's do this. So I've never seen a vehicle park, this car parked itself. It literally parked itself, like reversed, backed up, and I've never seen such a perfect parking spot. I mean, this is like,
it's on the line.
It's a little on the line, yeah. You know, I think the Tesla had a little vodka this morning.
Yeah.
Anyway, but yeah, man, this is the first time I've been in a Tesla like this. Is this the 2019? What is this?
I think it's the 2018. They haven't refreshed it, but I think later this year they're gonna do like a big interior refresh.
Okay.
But there's a car that I want in 2020, so I just did like a 2-year lease.
A 2-year, okay. So he's paying 40 grand a month for this, and he put 300,000 down. But no, I'm just kidding.
Business is good, I guess.
Yeah, no, this is crazy, man. This is crazy. So I'm starting to do more vlogging. I mean, this is all you do is vlogging and your workout stuff and your fitness stuff. And I'm trying to get an understanding of why people want to see stuff like this. I mean, do you think it's like, are you sick of doing like workout videos? I mean, you think it's about connection with the viewers or what?
For me right now, and I think kind of where you're at, you're in a kind of a different level. So like you guys have been seeing like a lot of content in terms of hair. You've already shown that you're an expert in terms of hair. You've already kind of like built that and people go to you for that. Now it's kind of like you want to go on the reverse side where it's like now you want to show your day-to-day activities to show like what you do in a day, and also kind of like in a way be more relatable as kind of like an expert as like in your field. For me, I'm trying to build up that kind of reputation as like someone who's knowledgeable in my field. So I'm doing a lot of specific videos, my workouts, just here and there, maybe a couple like vlogs, like a day and like what I do as like a fitness entrepreneur. But yeah, I think it's really cool that you're like kind of giving this other side of you and showing like, breaking down like Steve's just a regular guy, like doing stuff.
Yeah, I mean, really, I'm a high roller.
Yeah.
I mean, that's why I'm hanging with guys like this guy over here.
No.
I don't hang with people unless they have a car that's, you know, over $400,000 in value. Anyway, no. But all right, it's kind of, are you freezing or what? Or not really?
No, it's not too bad. I just worked out, so I'm a little warm.
He's ready to go. So he's also leaning out for a competition.
Yeah.
So even though he's like huge, he's actually very lean right now, right? For the most part?
Relatively. I got, until my main show is gonna be 30 weeks, as like when you're competing naturally in bodybuilding, you have to get to really low body fat levels. So you take a really slow approach to retain as much muscle mass as possible. So I'm 30 weeks out. So that's something like 7-8 months, but I think my body fat, we just recently tested, it's like 8-9%.
Wow.
Trying to get down to like 4 or 5, so
Jeez,
it's gonna be weird.
Man.
It's gonna be something.
That's crazy. All right, well, so, as always, Kevin, great seeing you, man. I'll talk to you soon, bro.
All right, see you guys.
So my first client of the day is a good friend and also a former Major League Baseball player. So I always love seeing him. Definitely a good time. Look, Julia, you're on a new vlogging camera. Let's see how this autofocus is. Actually pretty good.
It's so cool, this camera.
I mean, I know it's like this vlogging kind of standard, but
This is like, wow, you've made it big.
I'm big time now.
You're the official vlogger.
Just from getting this camera, I'm up to 4 million subscribers overnight. Yeah. I was at 10,000 last night. Now I'm at 14 million just because I got this new camera. But look at the lighting on this thing, man. Like the autofocus is crazy. The lighting is cool. I'm still getting used to the settings. It's a little.
But no, it's so cool.
Yeah. Yeah. You look like a YouTuber too, you know.
What do you guys want to see? What do you want from us?
So I'm Carly. I don't know if y'all have been introduced. I wasn't in the meet my staff video. Unfortunately, I didn't make the cut.
Oh, this is some tea.
This is definitely some tea. So, but we are just gonna show
Title
you.
of the video is Shady Tea. What really happens at the TheSalonGuy Studios.
But I'm a marketing communications coordinator here, and part of my duties, unfortunately, is to package orders. So we will walk you through that and some of the packages and products that we have here.
We're just gonna pick a random person that buys a product and we're gonna give them a nice little shout out. So this week, Michael, this one's for you. Thank you for buying this product. We hope you love it.
We're getting new thank you notes. So this is what our thank you notes currently look like.
Oh, it doesn't, there we go.
It's a little backwards, but if you purchase a product from us, you get one of those. I currently am redesigning them. They should be arriving relatively shortly. So be on the lookout for the new thank you notes. I don't know. All you regular customers out there, you might notice. You might just throw it in the trash. I'm not really sure. Julia thinks we should start doing the shout outs because I just said like
Shout out to
yes. Michael. He ordered his. I just said his first name, not his full name.
Michael.
And then I said if you ordered.
You could say Michael from like Kentucky or something, you know.
Oh.
Michael from.
We'll redo it.
Virginia.
Michael from
No, this is Timothy
again.
Sorry, Michael from Brooklyn.
Michael,
what's up?
Thank you for buying a product.
Yes.
We hope you love it.